Hello everyone, my name is Arun. So in this Python tutorial we are going to see about list. List is a data type that is changeable. So we can declare a list in a Python by using square brackets and placing the values inside them. So you have to give your list name. So here I am going to put my list, and you have to open your square brackets and you have to specify your items inside the list. You can also declare strings if you want to inside this list. Once you are done, so this is how you can declare a list in Python. If you want to print your list, you have to type print and you have to specify your list name over here. Once you execute it, you can see here your list is getting printed. Next we are going to see how to access a specific item in my list. If you want to print a specific item in your list, you have to use the index of that item. So usually the memory allocation starts from 0 in list. So if I want to print my second item, so here I have to type my list and I have to specify the index of the item. So I am going to print a string, so I have to specify 3. Once I am done, I have to execute it. You can see here string is getting printed over here. So next thing, we can print from the last, we can use the negative indexing also. If you want to use the negative index, you have to again type it my name, and if you specify negative index over here, it will print the item from the last. So if I print -1, it will again give me the string over here. So this is how negative indexing works in Python. Next, if you want to print a range of indexes, you have to use print my list, and inside the square brackets you have to define your range. Let's say here I am going to put it from 2 to 5, no 2 to 4, and I am going to execute it. You can see here my string is getting from the range 2 to 4 is getting printed. Next, if you want to print the item from the beginning until the specific item, you have to use colon and you have to specify the memory location of the item. So here I am going to print until 3, so I am going to put 2 and I am going to execute it. You can see here until 2 it was executed, 0, 1, 2. Next, if you want to return an item from the particular item from the list until the end, you have to put the location of the item and you have to put a colon after that and execute it. You can see here string is getting print. So next I am going to show you how to change the item value. If you want to change any item value, you have to specify the name of your list, then you have to specify the memory index of that, and you have to specify the value that you are going to change. Now here I am going to change as a Python. Once you are done, you have to execute it, you will get a result. So if you want to print your list, just print your list, print my list, and once you execute it, you can see here the value string is changed to Python. So this is how you can change a item value inside a list. If you want to loop all of your items in your list, you can always use for. I'm going to use for axiom my list, my list print x. Once you execute it, you can loop, you can see here all the values are getting printed in sequentially. So this is how you can loop over inside a list.